Changing your phone number in the Straight Talk app involves two main options: getting a new number or porting an existing one from another carrier. Getting a new number means assigning a fresh number from Straight Talk's available pool. Porting transfers an existing number from another carrier to Straight Talk. This is possible through mobile number portability, enabled by the FCC since 2003, allowing consumers to keep their numbers when switching providers. For a new number, ensure you have an active Straight Talk account and a compatible LTE or 5G device. Open the Straight Talk app and log in. Navigate to Account, then Manage Phone Number, then Get New Number. Select your area code preferences and confirm. The new number activates quickly, and the old one deactivates automatically. For porting an existing number, you need your account number, PIN from your current carrier, billing address, and proof of ownership. Log into the app and select Port Number. Enter your carrier details and submit. Confirm the porting PIN via SMS or email. The transfer completes in 1 to 24 hours. Make sure your account is in good standing and that the number is not barred or suspended.